How to keep your rice noodles or rice vermicelli from breaking. We will show you step by step the best way how to cook your rice noodles without breaking in our fried rice noodle with fish sauce recipe. The number one most important tip to avoid rice noodles from breaking during stir fry is do not pre-boil your rice noodles. You just need to soak your noodles for 15 minutes in room temperature water to rehydrate them until they're limp but still firm to the touch. Drain the noodles thoroughly in a colander and cut them into 4 portions. Cutting the rice noodle shorter will help so the meat and vegetables can mix easily into the noodles. Since rice noodles symbolize long life in Chinese culture, what we are doing cutting these rice noodles is considered very unlucky.
But common sense precedes all superstitions.
Let's start by preparing our fish sauce mixture. 2 tablespoons fish sauce, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 1 teaspoon chicken stock, half a teaspoon of pepper, half a tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vinegar. For the main ingredient, we slice some shallots and garlic. We are also using red chilies and green chilies for the vegetables. To reduce the spiciness, we usually remove the seeds. Besides the chilies, we also added some sliced shiitake mushrooms, spring onions, and carrots. You can always replace these vegetables with other type of your choice. Finally, for the meat, we are using turkey meatloaf. You can use seafood, chicken, sliced beef, or just good old sliced omelette. For extra flavor, we will add fried anchovies into our rice noodles. Tip number 2 is making sure enough oil is added to the wok to stir fry your rice noodles. Rice noodles tend to stick to the wok or pan if it is lacking cooking oil. When they stick to the wok, then you will have broken rice noodles because you end up tearing them as you try hard to unstick them. Add your garlic, shallots, dried anchovies and sliced turkey meatloaf. Cook them for a minute or 2. Then add your vegetables, red chilies, green chilies, spring onions, mushrooms and carrots. Give them a few toss for a minute. Now it is time for our rice noodles to go in. As you can see, we use 2 types of spatula to stir our rice noodles. This is our third tip to keep rice noodles from breaking. Using a pair of chopsticks or tongs to turn the noodles around in the wok will minimize the movement. Aggressive move with sharp and hard items like steel spatula can break them easily. Remember earlier in this video we cut to shorten our noodles? Well, this is the reason why we did that. It is so the meat and vegetable can be incorporated in between the noodles. If it is too long, then all you will be able to see is a huge bundle of white noodles. Our 4th tip to take note is that the longer you cook your noodles in heat, the softer they will become. Now, you can add your fish sauce mixture to the rice noodles. As you already know, rice noodles will start to soften in heat. Our 5th tip is knowing that adding water or sauce to your noodles will soften it further. Therefore, try not to add the sauce too early in your cooking. Preferably, after the vegetables are softened to your liking, then you add the sauce. And do not forget to test the noodles. Adding up more fish sauce or soya sauce if not salty or flavorful enough.
Yep, make it yummy.
Serve immediately in bowls or plates, topped with a sprinkle of fresh basil or coriander. If you want to know more about noodles, check out our noodles playlist for noodle inspiration. Thanks for watching.